How to log in into ChatGPT account. To log in into ChatGPT, first open your browser and go to chat.openai.com. Then you will see the web page as shown on the screen. Here, go ahead and click on login. But if you don't have an account already, then you can just create one by clicking on the sign up, and then you just need your email address and phone number. If you already have one, then just go ahead and click on login. And depending on how you created your account, you can go ahead and choose the email address, or you can also continue with the Google or Microsoft account. Here, I'm gonna log in with email address. So I'm just gonna enter my email address, then click on continue. And now it's time for the password. If you have forgotten your password, then you can simply reset your password by clicking on that forgot password option. And once you have entered your password, again click on continue. And that's it. You have successfully logged in into ChatGPT, and now you can start talking with the chatbot. This was how to log in into your ChatGPT account. I hope the video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.